Welcome back to my final more report analysis video on Thursday 3rd of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold. And we've seen this rally in gold through 1302. Interesting, but it failed, and the rally, little sort of corrective move intraday yesterday, again a failed move today. Is this beginning to sort of run out of steam, this rally? At 60 on the RSI again. Seems to be around about where the rallies have tended to roll over in August, September. This is this 1302 area is the old neckline. So basically, there's a resistance between sort of 13 figure and 1310 really, with these sort of old highs and lows. And again, as I said, you sort of moved intraday above 13 big figure again, but failed in that rally. Now look at the hourly chart, because that shows you a little bit more, I think. Failure of the rally today has now sort of completed a minor top pattern below 12.95. Arguably you'd say, well, you'd measure the top 13.07 down to 12.95. That's around about $12 of correction, so that's 12.83. so you're back into this sort of area here, which is a bit of a pivot level. Now you're testing a little uptrend at the moment. It's looking increasingly corrective actually near term, with these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, and I just think that maybe this one has sort of run its course. I think that rally on gold, I've always seen that as a near-term rally that I was expecting to be sold into. Obviously it has gone further than I thought it was going to go. I mean, the Trump tightening in the polls has certainly helped to drive that move, but gold doesn't necessarily seem to be carrying on that move today, and sort of $3-4 down on the day. You've seen a sort of a minor little strengthening, and as the European traders have come in, the dollar has sort of clawed back some of its losses, and this is all sort of playing out as a bit of a corrective move possibly. So it's very interesting that we're seeing this at around 60 on the RSI again. So I'm still of the opinion that selling into rallies is the way to play gold, because I don't necessarily think this is the start of a long bull run, unless unless Trump gets in on Tuesday, then I think gold will go on a run higher. But in the absence of that, I think this is going to be a pretty nice, pretty decent selling opportunity. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again